Hi everyone, it's Rose. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show you some tags that I've made, and I'm participating in the challenge with JP Peggy 2 and Stamp Girl here on YouTube. And the challenge was to make some Christmas tags, and I decided to make some shaker tags. I actually used a Recollection card kit that was for shaker cards and turned those into tags instead. So here are the tags. They all say joy and include some green and red shakers. And what I've done is just simply added a to and from on the back for the tag part and some ribbon at the top. So I made some green and red shaker tags. And they're really simple but fun. If you picked up that Recollections card kit at Michael's, this is another option for you to try to make some something different other than cards with that. So I hope you enjoy these. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.